Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shivangi. Let us know about a personality who is yielding as well as obstinate. I think you have guessed the remedy right, that is silica or silicea. When we try to understand silicea, we always compare it with fine sand. Now if you remember, how is sand? It is very fine and escapes through the hand. So similar is the personality. These people are extremely fine and they strive for perfection. They are extremely worried about their performance and therefore they have a lot of stage fear also. But once they are on the stage and they start performing, they do it absolutely well. So this is how the diligence or the performing part of silicea is. These children are also extremely worried about their performance in exam. Therefore, they might fall sick just before the night of the exam. So these constitutions are also very nervous and excitable, and also they have very fixed ideas. This is where the yielding and the rigid part of silicea comes. So whenever you put forth an opinion in front of silicea, they will say yes to your face, but in their own mind they have not actually agreed because they have their own fixed ideas. Now physically, if you see, it is indicated in suppurations and abscesses. The sphere of action is skin and bones, and there is also defective assimilation in these constitutions. If you want to know about more such interesting remedies, stay tuned to our YouTube channel. You can also learn from our e-university. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.